Hey folks, and welcome to another Quick Crop video. Well, today we're looking at our Vigo Spindle fruit presses here, and we're just going to quickly look at the different parts just to start off with. So you can see that they're very similar looking. This one is a bit smaller, it's our 9-litre press, and this one is our 12-litre. The 9-litre version we have here has the cast iron base. Our 12-litre one here has a stainless steel base. You can see the difference there. And then also, when you look on our website, we also have one called a hobby press, and that one uses a painted mild steel base. Now the hobby press, you're still going to get many seasons of fruit juice production out of it, but if you want a Vigo press that is going to last literally generations, then maybe go for the cast iron version. So as regards how the fruit press actually works, we can see that obviously we have our drum here, and then we have our base that's going to collect our apple juice, and then the juice pours out the spout into whatever receptacle that you want to put it in. So if we're going to crush some apples, the first thing we do is we have to pulp the fruit. And if you watch one of our other videos showing our fruit crushers, you'll see how to do that. But once we have our fruit pulp, we're going to put our straining bag into it. And the straining bag has a little hole in the bottom there. And that hole is so that we can slot it, or rather fit it over the spindle. And then we're going to fold our bag down around the outside of our timber drum, and that's perfect. Now it's not apple season in the Quick Crop garden, unfortunately, so we don't have apples to put in it, but we're just going to pretend for today that these green towels are lovely juicy green apples, and it's really just to show you what it looks like with the drum full. Okay, so we're now saying that our drum is full of apple pulp. And the next thing we do is we take our two half-moon spacers here, or crushing discs, I suppose. They're both a beech wood. All the wooden parts in your Vigo press are going to be beech wood. We've also got these little spacer blocks, and we're going to put those onto our half-moons there. We then have our clamp block, we have our washer there, and then we have this boss that goes onto the top, and we're just going to screw that down. Sorry about all that noise. And then to crush our fruit, then we are putting in our bar, and simply we're just going to keep turning that boss, which is going to be pushing down our crushing plate, compressing our apple pulp. The juice is going to be filtered by our straining bag there, so we don't get any large lumps coming out, and then it's going to fill, as we've said, our collecting tray here, and then out the front. Once you're finished, then it's a good idea to clean your press immediately after use, so you don't get any bits of juice drying and bits of apple sticking to it. We don't want to immerse the timber parts of the press at any time. We're just giving it a quick wash down with a damp cloth, letting it dry, and then putting it away to storage. So as you can see, it's actually a really simple device. What I can tell you is they're great fun. It's immensely satisfying making your own fresh apple juice, or if you feel like it, letting it ferment. It sounds like I've been drinking some today, but letting it ferment into your own apple cider. So that's it. That's our Vigo Spindle presses. Do check out further videos on the Quick Crop site for Vigo and other products, and we'll see you again soon.